Hello traders, we are back again with one more setup. This time it's CADCHF, Canadian Swiss francs. So we'll talk about this in a moment. Let's check the date and the time right now. So refresh it. Currently it is 3:36 p.m. Tuesday, 5th of May 2026 in EST. So let's get back to my chart now. We are on 4 hours. So daily, let's check daily first. In Delhi, we're below the EMA, so rejection has come with the engulfing candle, so we're going to go down. Maybe temporarily, maybe until here, we will go down, okay? So coming back to 4 hour, we have left the resistance, and this is your move. So we have to enter short, okay? So we enter short here, and maybe take profit somewhere here. Time will tell. So we're going to go enter short right now in CADCHF, and I will book my profits manually. All this could take maybe a week or maybe 2, maybe 10 days. We'll see how it goes. But we are short in CADCHF, and I will record the other part of the video when the take profit is hit. Until then, if you want these moves before they happen, then you can join the mentorship program. The link will be below this YouTube video, or maybe you are already on the sales page. So go and join, help yourself. If not, then keep watching me making this money. Till then, see you again. Alright traders, we are back here with this take profit video. So we took the sell trade in CADCHF, right? And now we have booked our profits. I think if I remember, I said that I will book the profits manually, okay? So we have exited around this 5702, and I think we entered short at this candle. I don't even remember, maybe this candle, yeah. So this small one here. So we entered here, and we are out here, okay? And if I show you the screenshot, you can see CADCHF here, 5747, and then profit at 5702. This is my sell trade, okay? So we have made some profits, I guess 45 pips. I don't even remember when did I take this trade. Go and check the date in the first part of this video, because if you come back and see again, I have taken so many trades. You see all these trades, so I don't remember when did I take which trade, okay? Overall, what happens if I have 10 trades running into my account? So overall, my profits will be 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, and then I don't need to worry about if one of, for example, you see here, this trade is in minus, this trade is in minus, this trade is in minus, but overall, this one is making me 5,000, this one making me 1,700, this one is making me almost 3,500, this one is making me 5,000, you see, this one is making me 3,300 here. So overall, I am in profit, so I don't really track or care about which is in minus. So I told you in the beginning that I am gonna exit manually, so I don't have any fixed automated TP. That was the reason for me saying that I'm gonna keep an eye manually, okay? Anyway, so we made 45 pips in this one, and go and watch the first part of the video. I don't remember when did I take the trade. Go and check the date. I have recorded that. Anyway, so for now the time and date is refresh it. It is 7:33 a.m. Friday, 15th of May 2026, and I closed this trade, I think, yesterday. I was too busy yesterday on Thursday. It was very busy day for me. Yeah, I did not even find the time to sleep properly yesterday. Anyway, so we are done. Whenever I took the trade, we are out of this with profits, obviously, and that's it. So if you want these trades, then go and join the mentorship program below. You will find the link below this video, or maybe you are already on the sales page. So go and help yourself. Or if you don't want to join, then I can't do anything else than this. Okay, there are no more proofs to show me. I don't even have to show this to. For example, if I show you 5 videos, that's more than enough proof. But on this page, I'm going to have unlimited videos, 5, 10, 20, 50, 100. I don't know how many videos setups I will have on this sales page. Okay, so go help yourself if you want to help yourself. Otherwise, you can just keep me. Otherwise, you keep watching me making this kind of money. Till then, see you again.